Hey everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading. This is your weekly analysis for the price of gold, so gold versus the US dollar. The date is June 14th, 2020. It is 12:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. If you want to stay up to date with all of our gold videos and other commodities and currency pairs, make sure you click that red subscribe button. We've also got free email form sign up link in our video description, as well as the website. Okay, cool. We are looking at the daily chart for gold here. We see overall my sentiment is bullish. We've been uptrend here for a bit and it's stuck, but I do have some warnings here for a look for a dip back to 1675 soon. So let's go ahead and talk about that. What you see here is this blue trend channel here. What I went ahead is I mapped out the ultimate lows from September of 2019, and then here's 2020. We see recently with the March sell-off in the markets that we achieved a low of 1450. A lot of quick buying, people bought the bounce, but now prices traveled all the way up into this next price zone, if you will. So really, let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit so we can see what we're talking about, and we see why these price levels are important. So we see here all the way back to 2013, we see that price was above this range for a bit. The last time we saw highs of $1,800 and $19.25 per ounce. And so we see here that price was down in this lower price range below $14.50, finally broke out late 2019. Went to the top of the range, tested it, came back down, tested the bottom of the range, and then moved above. And so now we see price sitting on top of the 1675 mark. Now I said look for a dip back to 1675 soon, because what you're going to see is if we look back in time and say, okay, history repeats itself, between August of 2019 and early, like late December of 2019, price really just kind of drifted. So it just drifted sideways for 4 months. So now that price has proven itself, we see April into June, it's been here for a few months, it could carry on a bit. So if we look at our timeline at the bottom, we see July, August, September. There's a good chance that price could just kind of bounce around. It's going to follow this ascending trend channel, and it'll honor this horizontal support and resistance for a couple more months potentially. So I think we've got some short-term resistance, and this is why I think price may go back down. Let's go ahead and map this out. We see here that price is having a tough time popping through the 1739 mark. So while I don't think we're going to go into a downtrend, I think we could see price kind of, right, it's tested it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Price is going to come back down, and then once it gets some more buying support, that'll push price through up towards the $1,800 mark. So we take this ultimate low trend channel, and I made a parallel top, and then I made another parallel channel, and really you could just keep doing this all day to get a really good idea of where price is going to go, thinking of your trend channels as support and resistance or price action zones represented over time, hence they have an angle or a trend line. So here we see there's another one, and see how the tops of my candles, see how the tails poke through, but the buys of the candles I'm leaving below this zone. Let's go ahead and put this a different color. And you can see that price really honors this. So if you just look back at these old other candlesticks, we see price try to go through, came back, and eventually did. So you see this pattern here. So my belief is that price will just keep staying this pattern. Shouldn't go below 1675. If it does for a skosh, look for a buying opportunity at this like 1600. You know, if there's a big market sell-off, more than likely this is going to pop right back up in that channel and keep going upwards. So. Or extremely bullish scenario is price doesn't go below 1720, just kind of bounces around and then pops through there. Really depends. U.S. dollar's been under a lot of pressure lately with all the free money to be giving away, so that's making it soft. All right, everyone. Well, I hope you have a great week trading. We will talk soon. I hope you make lots of profit.